Yo, what is good YouTube? It's your boy Alexandrus here, guys, back at it again. You already know your biggest icon here with another video today, guys. And yeah, I hope that you will like this one. It's kind of about, you know, the things that you like the most when it comes to the project, so I hope that you will like it. It's about lending, borrowing, as you can see, and some other cool things that are definitely worth to check out, guys. So the project that we are reviewing today is called Zollo or Xolo, dependable on how do you want to pronounce it. I'm gonna call it Zollo. But yeah, just before we jump into it, guys, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always be doing your own research. You should always do your own due diligence as well, because you don't take any responsibilities for your actions, alright? So you might ask what Zollo is, and Zollo is a simplified decentralized lending, algorithmic autonomous interest rate protocol for on-chain lending and borrowing. Sounds cool, okay? They have a working application, guys. Boom, just like that. I can't unfortunately connect my wallet today, so I'm sorry for that, guys, but just kind of recording this in a different environment today. But obviously you can go to the website and you can check this out by yourself. It's of course fully working. It shows you the APIs. I just can't connect the wallet currently, guys. I'm so sorry about that. They are of course fully audited, as you can see, by TechRate. So they are fully legitimate when it comes to that. They're absolutely safe. 21 checks have been passed. As you can see, there is no even one low issues thing. Everything is just passed straight up, just like that. So Zollo is absolutely legitimate when it comes to that. You already know that your biggest icon is bringing you the audited projects here, okay? You already know it, guys, so that's great. So now we can jump into the features. They have some key features here. First of all is the lending. Users and applications can supply any asset to begin earning a variable interest rate instantly. Interest occurs every block, every 3 seconds, and users can withdraw their principal plus interest anytime, and this is great. What users supply the tokens? They receive an arbitrary amount of X tokens equivalent to the value deposited. Then X tokens can be redeemed anytime to get back the principal amount and on top of that interest that occurred in the lending duration. Then we have the borrowing. Zollo allows users to borrow crypto assets using any other supported asset as collateral, giving them the flexibility to settle a trade or use an application with an asset that they don't already own. And then, guys, users can borrow against their supplied liquidity value. Borrow limit depends on the asset and the amount supplied, and it's built, as you can see, with BSC, Chainlink, and some other cool things. Also, it's backed by a bunch of cool things, so there is definitely big interest in Zollo, guys. Then they have the FAQ. They have some information about the token itself, but we'll get into that in a second on their Gitbook. It's of course, as you can see, available on BSC, so that's great. Of course, you can buy this on Pancake, you already know. And then we have the roadmap. So as you can see, quarter 3 we'll be looking at enhancement of UI UX of the platform, which honestly is okay in my opinion. Definitely it could be better, but it's really user friendly and cool. If you want to, you know, get into the borrowing, for example, you just click on manage, and then you can choose how much you want to borrow, for example, and supply it with. Then you can withdraw. It works pretty simply. You just connect your wallet, it will show you all the available balances, and then you can start earning, you can start lending, you can start borrowing, alright? But definitely it works pretty cool. You obviously will have all of those statistics, such as net API, your balance in borrow, your balance in supply, and the limit utilization in percentages. So this is definitely developed nice. But yeah, then they want to kick in some assessment and development of cross-chain lending protocol, continue to onboard yield optimizers and increase TVL on the platform by rerouting the strategies through Zollo protocol, development grant for development of dApps such as yield aggregators utilizing Zollo protocol, and then quarter 4 looks at development of universal cross-chain lending platform, integration of fiat gateways for Fire-based lending, and release of V2 of the platform. So they will be further implementing some new things into the platform, which, as I said already, is pretty cool and gives you a decent number of returns, alright? They also have a blog page, which I really would like to kind of shout out, because they have 11 followers here and they definitely deserve more, because as you can see, they are posting all the information about their strategic investors. So this is basically what was mentioned here, all that kind of stuff. As you can see, they are also working with Cosmic Swap, so those guys are kicking in some nice and valuable partnerships as well, and definitely this is worth mentioning, alright? So then we have some information about the token itself. As you can see, there is maximum supply of 120 million Zollo tokens, and the entire supply would be unlocked by 2025. You have the distribution here, and vesting, all that kind of stuff. boom, that's how it looks. The token definitely has the potential since it's pretty cheap and also, you know, and also there is 120 million of those, so there is a lot of potential for growth, okay? They can be worth $1 each with ease, in my opinion. Then also in their Gitbook you have all the informations regarding the lending, borrowing, X tokens, all that kind of stuff, guys. So if you still don't know how it works, and I can guarantee you this is literally simple, I mean it's super simple. It works like AMMs pretty much, and we've been reviewing a lot of AMMs on the channel. And yeah, it's really cool. They have utility, and you can check them out if you want. Of course, all the links are down below, guys. Let me know what you think about them, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next videos coming out soon.